In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Smartsheet. If you collaborate with people across different regions, you've probably seen dates like 0405 2025 and wondered, is that April 5th or May 4th? Setting your preferred date format in Smartsheet clears up that confusion everywhere you work in the app. Let's walk through how to change it and what to expect once you do. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen for your profile icon. It might show your photo or your initials. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where you'll find the options that control how Smartsheet looks and behaves for you personally. In the menu that appears, choose Personal Settings. This opens a dedicated window for your account preferences. Inside Personal Settings, select the Settings section. This is where Smartsheet keeps things like language, time zone, and the regional options that drive date and number formatting. Next, go to Regional Preferences. This area controls how dates are displayed across the Smartsheet interface. You'll see choices for common date formats, such as month, day, or year, day, month, year, or year, month, day. Pick the format that matches how you and your team read dates most comfortably. For example, if you're in the United States, month or day or year is typical. If you're elsewhere, day, month, or year may be more familiar. The year, month, day format is also a great choice if you care about sorting and consistency, because it aligns neatly in chronological order. Once you've selected your preferred format, click Save. That's the key step that applies your change. After saving, your date display will update across sheets, reports, and dashboards you view. If you have any open sheets, a quick refresh ensures you see the change right away. A few helpful notes. This is a personal preference, so collaborators will continue to see dates in the format they've chosen for their own accounts. It doesn't alter the underlying date values, only how they appear to you. If you work with exports, your chosen regional setting typically carries over to files like Excel or PDF, making your dates consistent beyond Smartsheet. While you're in regional preferences, you may also notice related settings like locale and time zone. These work together with date format to keep your workspace consistent. That's it. You went to your profile, opened personal settings, visited settings, adjusted regional preferences, chose your date format, and saved. With that done, your Smartsheet dates will display exactly the way you expect, reducing errors and keeping your projects easy to read.